You were at 85 miles an hour, and you actually encroached into the 45-mile-an-hour zone. You can't leave! You want to go to jail today! Stop your car and put it in the car right now!
Okay.
Get out of the car right now! Get out of the car! No! You're going to jail! Step out of the car and you're going to jail! Hey, you're going to jail! Step out of the car!
Wait a minute! Whoa! Wait a minute! What y'all doing?
You are under arrest! Put your hand behind your back!
Charlotte County, Florida, the 21st of March, 2025, Charlotte County Sheriff's Office. Incident traffic stop driver clocked at 85 miles per hour in a 45 miles per hour zone, escalated to arrest after refusal to sign the citation.
Deputy Sheriff's Office, the reason why I'm stopping you, had you at 85 miles an hour coming into the 45.
Excuse me?
Yeah, you were at 85 miles an hour, and you actually encroached into the 45-mile-an-hour zone.
Back there it says 55.
Even if the speed limit back there is 55.
Yeah, that's what I was going on.
No, you're going 85. Yeah, you're cruising. Do you have your license on you?
Sure.
This section now is 45.
Right, because I'm almost home. I'm done.
Thank you. Everything good with your license? No outstanding tickets or anything like that?
No.
I'll be right with you.
Yeah, for.
Here's your license. Sorry. So this is a citation for that speed, okay? The 85 and the 45. It does
not going 45.
So with that, you don't get any of the three options. You have to contact this number on the front and schedule a court hearing, okay? It doesn't allow me to give you a fine amount, all right? All I need from you is a signature.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Deputy, it's right there on the bottom of the citation right there.
You didn't hear what I asked. Yeah.
You said, what is my name? I said,
No,
it's
I
Deputy.
did not ask you that.
Okay.
Sir. You said that I have to go for a court hearing. I said, what do you mean by that?
It means you got to contact that number and schedule an appearance in front of the judge. The speed is too great for me to issue a fine amount because you're over 30 miles an hour over the speed limit.
Okay.
So all I need is a signature from you. It's not saying you're guilty. It's just saying you're going to contact that number and schedule a court date. That's all.
I'm not sure if I should sign anything that I'm not
Well,
supposed to.
I'm just going to tell you, a refusal to sign a citation is an arrestable offense.
So you're going to arrest me because I do not understand what you're talking about?
I don't understand what you don't know what I'm saying to you. I had your speed at...
Hold on, let me call my friend.
Okay, so this is the deal. You were doing 85 miles an hour
hold on a second,
and a
sir.
45.
I just told you I am making a phone call.
Listen, I'm not here to make phone calls.
Okay, so you want me to sign something that
Yes.
I'm not comfortable with? And then I said, let me
You're
make
signing?
sure. Because you said you're going to arrest me for
Yes.
something that I do not
Yes.
understand why you're going to arrest me for. So I need
I'll
to
explain
call
it
my
again.
family member.
You don't have to call your family member.
Yes,
You're an adult.
I do, sir.
No, you don't.
No, yeah, sir.
I'm telling you right now.
Legal right. I have my rights.
Okay,
My rights.
driving is a privilege, not a right. We're going to start out with that. So, again, you were doing 85 miles an hour and a posted 45-mile-an-hour speed
And
limit.
I said I was not. I was
Okay.
55.
We're not going to argue roadside. That's
course.
something that you go to a judge.
Correct.
And in this case, you don't get three options like a normal speed citation. You get the option of calling the number and scheduling a court hearing. At that time, you can make your argument with the judge that you were not speeding. Okay? That's the time that you get to argue. You don't get to argue roadside. Okay?
I'm not arguing with you, sir.
You are arguing.
Okay.
Okay?
So you're going to arrest me because I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not saying you're not. I'm not saying I'm arresting you for not agreeing. I'm saying if you fail to sign a citation for a court date.
I am picking up the citation. I will go to the court, but I'm not signing something that I do not understand.
Okay. You want my supervisor to explain this to you? He's right behind me.
Do you want me to call my family member? Because it's right on the phone.
Nothing what your family is going to say is going to change what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, I would understand them better than you.
Hey, Traffic 6, you want to come over here?
Because you said you're going to arrest me for calling my family member?
I didn't say I was going to
Yes,
arrest
you
you for
did.
calling your family member. I said I would arrest you for not signing saying that you're going to show up to your court date.
You cannot arrest me for that,
Okay.
sir.
I'm going to let you talk to my supervisor. He's going to tell you that I can arrest you for not signing the citation.
No, you cannot arrest me for that.
All right. It's called failure to sign a summons.
No.
Okay.
No.
I'll be right with you. You can't leave.
Yes, I can leave.
You want to go to jail today. You want to go to fucking jail today.
Shoot me there. Shoot me.
You want to stop your car and put it in park right now.
Okay.
Get out of the car right
No,
now.
I'm not.
Get out of the car.
No, you
Get
cannot.
out of the fucking
No,
car.
I'm not.
Hey.
Don't swear at me. Don't swear at me.
Ma'am.
Do not. You're not, sir.
stop.
He's not allowed to open my vehicle.
Yes, he is allowed.
No,
he's telling
not.
you. Why are you driving away from a traffic stop?
Because I'm talking to him. He walked away from me.
I said
He didn't-
right
No, sir. I was talking to him.
So you would drive
and
away
he-
while he's got your driver's license and all your
He
paperwork?
gave me my driver's license. He gave me my paperwork. And then he told me something that I don't agree with. He said, if you do not agree with that, I said to you, you will go to jail. I said, no. I want to call my family member to see why I'm going to jail for. I'm a citizen in here. What am I going to jail for? You give me a citation, sir. You give me a citation, sir. I said I will comply. I gave you my license and everything. So now you tell me you're going to put me to jail.
So, was it 30 over?
85 and a 45.
Okay, so
Sir,
yeah, so
I was doing 55.
hey, listen, it doesn't matter if you're doing 55. It doesn't matter. You have to sign that.
Sir.
Are you not going to sign it? Yes or no?
No.
Okay.
And then I will go to the judge.
Okay.
I will
Listen,
go to the
do me a favor. No,
Sir.
take your hand off of me.
Sir, I'm not putting
Step
my
out of
hands
the
on
car.
you.
Step
No,
out of
sir.
the car.
No.
You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to jail.
Wait a minute.
Come on.
Wait a minute. Wait
Come
a
on,
minute.
she
Okay, let me
in
sign. Let me sign the paper.
It's
Let me
too
sign
late,
the paper.
man.
Too late.
Too late. You're going to jail. Step out of the car. You're going to get tased in about 2 seconds. Step out of the car.
Wait a minute.
You're
Whoa.
going to jail.
Wait a minute. Why y'all doing this?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, wait.
Put your hand behind your back.
Sir, wait a minute.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back.
This is not right.
10-4-1.
This is not right. This is not right. This is not right. Sir, this is not right.
Okay, you were.
Sir, this is not right. You just
Listen, you were ordered to. Yeah,
you
explain.
punched me on my
Listen
face.
to me. No, nobody punched you in your face. Say so.
So I can
Stop resisting.
I'm not
You're gonna
resisting.
get
You
your
are.
resisting charge.
put your hands behind
Put
your
your
back.
hand behind your back.
I am.
I don't. What are you reaching for?
I'm not reaching for anything.
Blue team's on this team.
Yep.
You punched me on my face for no reason.
Nobody
Listen,
punched you in
nobody
your face.
punched you.
Okay.
We gave you several lawful
recording
orders
this.
to exit. We're recording it too. You were
Okay.
given several lawful orders to exit your vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yeah, I told you to step out.
All right, we're gonna go to the black car.
Can you not push me?
Yeah,
No,
you
can
are
not
under
push me?
arrest.
Can you not? Can I put my shoes
Sure.
on? Can I put my
I'll
shoes
go
on?
get your
sir?
shoes.
Yes.
Sure.
I'm gonna take your license.
No. These are my property.
Yes,
This
it's
is
gonna
my
go with
property. No, I'm putting, sir.
Ma'am,
Sir,
let go
sir, can I-
of your
can I have my
license.
property, sir? Sir,
Hey, let go of it. You're under arrest. You can't have anything. You are under arrest, ma'am. Listen to me. Don't make it any harder than it has to be. You're under arrest. You're going to jail. That's it.
okay, can I have my wallet?
We will
You-
get your wallet.
We'll get all your stuff. Did you make sure she don't? I mean, we can't search it, but
Wait a minute, what are you doing?
all right.
Why are you
Make sure you don't
following
have
me?
any
Why are you
weapons on you.
following me, sir? Why are you touching my boob?
No one's touching you. Have a seat.
Okay, don't push me like that.
No one's pushing
That
you.
was so rude.
You're being rude.
No, you were given several orders. You
No, I
didn't.
was
You didn't
not,
comply.
though.
We're gonna
I was
we're gonna
not.
seatbelt you, okay?
Don't
Hey,
touch
put your
me,
rear
though.
camera on. Okay, watch. I'm gonna reach over and grab your seatbelt. Put your camera on.
Did you put your camera
Okay.
on when you punched me, though?
Sit back for me, please.
I am sitting back.
Okay, I need to reach around you.
Sir, can you stop pushing me, please?
Where's your? Hold on.
Sir, can you stop pushing
Hey,
me?
is your? You want to hand it to me?
So you don't like black folks, huh? Is that
Why
what
does it have to
is?
be that?
Because I didn't do
Maybe
anything.
my wife is black. How do you not know that?
Like I said,
How
I
do
did
you not know
I
that?
did not do anything.
Okay.
For you guys
But
to
why do you
manhandling me like
automatically
that.
assume?
For you to manhandling me like that.
Okay. You were explaining you have to sign the option or it's jail, and
He
you
told
said
me,
no.
he told me that. I said I do not understand what he's saying. I just need somebody to explain to me what he's saying. And then he calls you, push me, punch me on my face, and then put me in here for what? What have I done wrong? Okay, that thing is really tight. It's breaking my arm.
It's breaking. Well, sit back.
The handcuff.
Okay. They're not comfortable. They're not designed to be.
Legal Framework Florida Stat. Section 316, 6503. Signature on a citation equals promise to appear in court, not a guilty plea. Refusal to sign equals separate misdemeanor second degree. Deputy 01140135. All I need is a signature. It's not saying you're guilty, it just means you'll schedule a court date. That's all. Subject. I'm not sure if I should sign anything I'm not supposed to. Analysis citation signature. Florida Section 316, 6503. Refusal equals arrestable misdemeanor. Signature creates no inference of guilt at trial. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 4201984 roadside stop is non-custodial. Signature demand is procedurally lawful. Subject 0304. I have my legal right. I have my rights. Analysis driving as privilege. Bell v. Burson, 402 U.S. 5351971 driving equals conditional privilege. Dixon v. Love, 431 U.S. 1051977. SCOTUS upholds state authority to revoke, suspend driving privileges. Pennsylvania v. Mimms, 434 U.S. 1061977. Officer may order exit from vehicle. No further cause needed. Deputy 0441. It's called failure to sign a summons. Analysis warrantless arrest authority. Florida Section 901.15. Officer may arrest without warrant for misdemeanor committed in officer's presence. Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, 532 U.S. 3182001. Amendment permits custodial arrest for minor offenses. Deputy 0601. Are you going to sign it, yes or no? Subject, no. Deputy, step out of the car. You're going to jail. Subject 0618. Let me sign the paper. Analysis late compliance. Use of force. United States v. Watson, 423 U.S. 4, 111976. Arrest decision is not revoked by late compliance. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 3861989. Force assessed by objective reasonableness at the moment, not with 20/20 hindsight. Arrest 063-50740. You are under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. You are going to catch a resisting charge. We gave you several lawful orders to exit. We're recording it. Subject 0859. Did you put your camera on when you punched me? Charges applied. Eat. Failure to sign summons flaw. Section 316, 6503. Missed 2 degrees. R. Resisting officer without violence. Flaw. Section 843.02. Missed 1 degree max, 1 year jail, plus 12 mo, probation, plus $1, 000, fine. Lessons learned. 2. Roadside is not the courtroom. Refusing to sign converts a civil traffic infraction into a criminal arrest. Section 316, 6503. Comply first. Challenge legally second. 3. Late compliance does not undo an arrest. Watson 1976-4. If rights are violated, file Section 1983 action, not a roadside argument.